Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Slow down. That seems to be a favorite phrase for music teachers, but the point is not just to slow down for the sake of slowing down, but it's to practice slowly enough to repeatedly execute something correctly. If you play too fast and you consistently play it wrong or out of time and with tension, you'll memorize it that way, and then you'll have to unlearn the bad habits that you develop because of it. The process of slowing something down and repeatedly executing it correctly, slower at first and gradually getting it up to tempo, also helps with retention. You really internalize it and it gets into your long-term muscle memory. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.